Hi, I'm Giana Loretta, and this is a PSA from a PSA. In this video, I will be doing an iServe tutorial, which is the website that WVU students and faculty use to track and find their volunteer opportunities. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen now. And what you'll be seeing is the page that you'll be on when you first log in. So you can see your total volunteer hours and how they're listed by interest. And so to find these opportunities, you're going to click on Volunteer Needs. And you'll come to a page that lists everything that's going on. And you can sort and filter and search by keywords and really make sure you find what you're interested in. And so to register for one of these opportunities, you're going to click View Details. And it'll just take you to a page with more information about the organization and the activity that they're doing. And so to register, you can do it independently or as a group, Click Sign Up, and it's very simple. You can just type in your phone number and any additional information that they might need to know about you and submit your need response. You can also find these opportunities by clicking on the organizations, and you can fan them and read more about what all WVU has to offer. There are also seasonal opportunities right here, and hopefully it won't be COVID-19 related for long. Anyways, to track these hours, you're going to click Add Hours at the top, and it'll take you right here to see the submission form. And so iServe does work to approve both opportunities listed on the website and things you find opportunities that you find elsewhere. So you're just going to check yes or no for that, and you can select that specific volunteer need. If not, then there's nothing else you have to fill out for this part. You select why you've completed the certain service activity. You're going to click the day that you worked it, how long you did it for, and then if you traveled to get there, that's a cool feature to kind of track. If there's anything else to know about it, you'll write that here, but it's not optional, and you'll submit the hour entry. And so for opportunities that you find on iServe, they'll turn green when they're approved, but opportunities that you find on theirself will remain white. All right, that's everything. Thank you for watching this PSA from a PSA.